You guys ever do a DIY and it's an epic fail? I wanted to make a cute little ghost. I've seen a lot of people making these with cheesecloth. So I grabbed this tall tube and covered it with saran wrap to protect it, and then taped this big clear ornament I had to shape the head. I put some water in a bowl and added Mod Podge. Now here's where I messed this up, because I was supposed to do 2 parts Mod Podge and 1 part water, and clearly there's way more water in that bowl. Why didn't I measure, you ask? Well, here's the thing. I'm Dominican and we don't measure anything in the kitchen when we cook, and sometimes I think I can pull that off with DIYs, but apparently I can't. Anyways, things got a little messy, but here I am soaking my cheesecloth in my watery ass glue, thinking this is gonna be so cute. I let it dry overnight and it felt pretty stiff, but removing the ornament was a little tough. People use balloons and I can see why. I was struggling and the head sunk in, but I reshaped it and we were good to go. That was until my ghost started leaning, but I had hope, and instead of making the effort to cut out some black felt to make the eyes, I just drew them on with a Sharpie. And let's just say my ghost likes to lay down.